Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.